Galaxy F14 is boasted with Snapdragon 680 chip for improved performance and smooth multitasking. Samsung has released its new smartphone, Samsung Galaxy F14 in India today. The smartphone aims to improve users' experience with its efficient hardware and software. Samsung Galaxy F14 price. Samsung Galaxy F14 is available at INR 8,999 for the 4GB RAM with 64GB storage option. Users can purchase the smartphone through select retail stores. The users can avail of the smartphone no-cost equated monthly installment AMI options. Samsung Galaxy F14 specs. Samsung Galaxy F14 features a 6.7-inch Full HD 90Hz display is specially designed to deliver an immersive visual experience, catering to tech-savvy users. The handset is featured with a Snapdragon 680 chip for improved performance and smooth multitasking. The Samsung Galaxy F14 houses a triple rear camera setup, having a 50MP primary lens featuring an f1.8 aperture for low-light photography. The selfie camera boasts a 13MP lens which supports high-quality selfies for diverse photography. The Samsung Galaxy F14 houses a 6000 mAh battery supporting 25W fast charging. Samsung promises up to 2 generations of operating system upgrades and 4 years of security updates for long-term software support. The Galaxy F14 is offered in 2 colorways: Moonlight Silver and Peppermint Green.